SoFi currently down about 9% today, and you can see that the overall market, today is March 4th by the way, the overall market is a bit shaky. I'm just going to go ahead and switch to VU here just to show you that we are at a pretty big dip right now. And if we go back onto SoFi, so this is the overall market by the way. If we go back onto SoFi, you can see that SoFi is also close to the 200 EMA. In my opinion, when we're looking at the 200 EMA, at least for VU, right, on the daily chart, we almost always get bought back up, all the way back up towards the 50 EMA. And so I'm not trying to say that SoFi is going to exactly play out the same, right, because SoFi is its own individual stock. I'm just saying the overall market for VU, at least, we should be able to see a reversal for VU. And in SoFi, at least, I think this is a great dip opportunity. I'm not trying to say that, this is the 100% bottom here for SoFi. Of course, we could potentially dip down to 940. And personally, what I would be doing is, as long as we trend below the 100 EMA on the daily chart, so basically price below 1386, I personally wouldn't mind adding small positions at a time. Now, why small positions? Because just in case there is a dip down to the 200 EMA or even down to the Fibonacci retracement of 940, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and show you the downside as of right now. This is just a possibility, right? So from the 100 EMA to the 200 EMA, which is currently what is happening. So far in the last few days, we possibly had around almost a 13% drop from the 100 EMA. So again, today being a 9% drop, just a few more percentages and we get a test of the 200 EMA. Today we had a low of 1224 and our 200 EMA on the daily chart is 1196. So this is a pretty good dip opportunity in my opinion. Now if we do break down below the 200 EMA, the next support I'm keeping an eye out for is possibly down to 940. Now that is a 22% drop. I'm just trying to be realistic here, not trying to scare anybody, and personally I would be adding more if we do drop down to towards those levels, right? So I showed you the downside, now I'm going to show you the upside potential. Say hypothetically our average is close to the 200 EMA, or let's just say we added at the 200 EMA, okay? So right around $12 is our entry, hypothetically. My prediction for SoFi long term going into the future, I do think we'll get that test back at $16 again. That's currently a 34% move up towards the top side. Now, my prediction going into next year, I do believe we range between 16 and 19. So SoFi between 16 and 19, let's go ahead and range up, right? So from $12 all the way to $19 is a 57% move for SoFi. Now, I don't think that we're going to break below 940. I think this is just a really good dip opportunity between right around 1350 all the way down to 940. I'm viewing this as a big dip opportunity, and I'm not trying to time the bottom, which is why I'm personally adding small positions at a time, and then looking for that reversal for SoFi because I'm long term on SoFi, or this could be also a swing trade idea just a couple months out, all right? So if you enjoyed this kind of video, feel free to check out the other videos I have on the YouTube channel, especially since the market is shaking right now. I'm sharing with everybody my personal dip opportunities, SoFi being one of them. You can join our Discord. It's free to join. We have over 32,000 members. Link down below in the description if you want to join our Discord. Again, come on in, share due diligence, talk about SoFi stock or any other stock. Ask questions if you have it, and if you want to share due diligence, feel free to do so as well. If you're looking for our exact entries and exits, that does include stocks and options, you can join our Patreon for a 90% off permanent discount as we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Link down below for that, okay, as we do have 20 analysts sharing. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll be making another update on SoFi going into next week. So if you haven't yet, subscribe, like, comment, and share the video if you want to support the channel, okay? Appreciate you guys.